If you're trying to lose weight and things are not moving for you, you might be doing two very basic things wrong. The first one is that you drop your calories really, really low. So thinking that I need to eat less in order to lose weight, which is true, by the way. But when you go way too low and too fast, things are getting stuck because the body is going into a survival mode, and this means that it holds on to what it has, and that is the fat that needs for energy. So if you think that going too long with your calories will help you lose weight, it's actually going to produce the opposite result. The second thing that you probably doing wrong as well is that you think that you're eating healthy, but your calories are way above your maintenance level, which means that you eat more than you actually need. And that has a result to keep your weight higher and not losing weight. So either you eat too much or too little, but the way to change that is to actually find out how much you eat at the moment and then adjust your calories. You can do this by tracking everything you eat and you drink for like a week and then go and do the medium of that. So you have a rough idea of how many calories you're having per day and how much you need to eat in order to lose weight. I hope this was helpful.